I remember back in the old days, before VAST, when we need to use certain equipment that we don't have, we need to find a particular professor and try to build a collaboration. But this is very challenging for individual labs.
Big problems take an army of people to solve them, and working together across the Commonwealth to achieve these goals is how we make the magic happen.
How we can create a seamless access to all these facilities and expertise across the Commonwealth. Why we are looking more like isolated islands, and there are thick walls between us.
It's very exciting to me for our faculty to have an opportunity to integrate with faculty from other schools. There's power in numbers. As they share things that they're discovering, as they share things that they're trying to market and bridge together. We've recently opened a new fabrication lab, which gives us an opportunity to create demonstration materials for the semiconductor industry. This gives us the capacity to support not only what we're doing here, but our partners throughout the vast network, whether they be at Virginia Tech, the other schools as well.
At the Virginia Alliance for Semiconductor Technology,
we've connected over 170 pieces of advanced equipment across 5 universities through our virtual Fabrication Access Bridge, the first platform of its kind in America.
VAST collectively represents over 35,000 square feet of fabrication facilities and 30,000 square feet of metrology and packaging labs.
One of our main goals with VFAB was to break down the barriers in microelectronics access. Until now, universities and startups often face steep logistical and financial hurdles in accessing high-end semiconductor fabrication equipment.
That brings all the facilities under one umbrella, a very seamless way for all the companies and researchers to access all this equipment that we have across the Commonwealth when it comes to semiconductor fabrication, packaging, and metrology.
So we have a common platform that people can come in, see what's available, reserve it, single platform, ease of use, reserve equipment, pay for it, get their research done.
The IFAB and an MCF both are a part of this platform. We have more than 75 tools embedded in the system. Getting each and every tool on this platform have been a huge amount of work.
That opens significant opportunities, not only for faculty, but also the universities and community colleges that they don't have these facilities. In addition to that, startup companies benefit a lot by utilizing the VFAB.
Our VFAB platform gives startups and established companies the ability to prototype without millions in capital costs, and partners gain a new channel for affordable R&D.
Startup companies have a lot of things that they have to spend their money on, and one of the last things they want to spend their money on is a $3.5 million electron beam lithography system. Well, there's one located downstairs, and they can use it at an hourly rate that's affordable. I used this facility as a PhD student many years ago, and at the same time I was doing my PhD, I had a startup company, and my company relied heavily on this facility. Without the tools downstairs, I could have never started that company. I could have never grown that company.
I want to see it grow. Hopefully see companies take advantage of these expensive pieces of hardware that we've facilitated.
Over and over from industry partners, I hear, we respect what you do, but you don't have the critical mass for us to engage at the level that we have in other states. Throughout the vast network, we do have that critical mass.